Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a mobile app that can help you make your time more productive. It is called DrawExpress. With DrawExpress, you can draw any process diagram or mind map on the go using easy gestures. You will find links in the description below to download the app from both Apple and Google Play stores. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the main features I personally find interesting. Once you have installed the app, you will have this icon on your mobile screen. I find that using the landscape mode in mobile is the best one for drawing diagrams on the go. When you open the app, you will notice a circle button with the plus sign. With this button, you can either create a diagram or a project, which is a kind of folder to organize your diagrams. If you select New Diagram, you will have the option to create process flow diagram or a mind map. I will focus on diagram option for now. Let's create a new diagram. I will call it Diagram 1. Here, you can create all process flow shapes with easy gestures. For example, to make a circle, just draw a circle and it will be converted nicely. The same applies for rectangles, triangles, and so on. You can also make rounded corners by drawing a curve close to rectangle corner. You can link between process elements by simply drawing a line between them. You can also transform the lines to arrows, as well as making them dashed lines by drawing double lines. To change the text of a shape, just double-click on it and type your text in the pop-up window. You can also add text annotations to shape by drawing a bracket or vertical line and double tapping on the right or on the left. You can also draw a horizontal line and double tap on the top or on the bottom. One interesting feature is the swim lane drawing. You can draw both vertical and horizontal swim lanes and easily add new lanes. When it comes to formatting, you can customize any shape as per your need by using the color palette icon. You can also use shapes and icons available in the library. For more information on using the app, you can check the link in the description below. I hope you will find this video useful. Please share your comments below and subscribe to the channel to get notified about new videos. Thank you for watching.